Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by rewriting the inequality so one side is 0. Get ax 2 plus bx plus c compared to 0. Once done, compute the discriminant to know if real roots exist, then use factoring or the quadratic formula to find x1 and x2. Make sure to simplify and place these exact root values on the x-axis now, because these points split the number line into intervals you will test next. Next, decide how the parabola opens by checking the sign of a. That tells you which intervals could satisfy the inequality near infinity. Then, pick one sample point from each interval determined by the roots and plug it into the quadratic to evaluate its sign. Once you know where the expression is positive or negative, correlate that with the inequality symbol to choose which intervals to include. Make sure to mark endpoints as solid or open based on whether equality is allowed. Finally, shade the parts of the x-axis corresponding to intervals that satisfy the inequality, and draw solid or open dots at the roots as appropriate. Label the vertex and axes so your graph communicates direction and scale, and if the domain matters, note it. If something looks off, pick one more random test point in a shaded region and evaluate the quadratic to confirm. This quick check catches sign mistakes and endpoint errors before you finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.